Our final step of our fraction combination is to talk about division. Division is very simple to multiplicate, similar to multiplication, with one exception. Take the divisor, that's the second number, and invert it, then change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then multiply the two fractions. Remember, there's no division sign in a word problem, sometimes making it hard to tell which fraction to invert. A division problem can always be written as dividend divided by divisor equals quotient. Replace the word divided by with the division sign. Some other problems can be thought of as a number of equal things. It is the number of equal things or the value of the equal things that becomes the divisor. So, in other words, as an example, divide 3/8 by 5/7. You have your 3/8 divided by 5/7 is equal to 3/8 times 7/5, or 21/40. Another one, when dividing with mixed numbers, always convert the mixed numbers to a fraction before dividing. So if you have 1 1/7 divided by 2 1/9, you'll take your 1 1/7, make it 18 or 8, and then take your 1/9, make it 18/9. So you have 8/7 divided by 19/9. Flip the dividend, so you have 8 times 9 is 72, 7 times 19 is 133. Be careful not to do a cancel until after you have inverted. Again, 1 1/3 divided by 1 1/2. You have 1 1/3, which equals 4/3. You have 1 1/2, which equals 3/2. You can multiply the two after you flip the 3 seconds to 2/3, and you come up with 8/9. Notice you cannot cancel because there's no number that's equally being able to be divided into either 4/3 or 2/3. Can't do it. Use the following guidelines when dividing common fractions. Invert the fraction after the division sign and change the division sign to a multiplication sign. After inverting, treat the problem as a multiplication problem. You can cancel, but do not cancel or find lower numbers until after you invert. Where are you going to use this? You can find the number of things inside something. In other words, in this case, we have 5 air handlers or 5 condenser coils. We know our total length is 161 7/8. Divide that by 5 to find the length of 1 unit. We know our screw is 3/8 inches long. Okay, we know we have a number of threads. How far in is this screw? Okay, we know we have 24 inches long. We know we have a width of 1.5 inches. How many more of those 1.5 inches could I get into the 24 inches long?